Welcome to how to set up your Kotlin environment with PubNub. In this video, I'll guide you through how to get your Kotlin environment set up in Android Studio with the necessary PubNub SDKs to begin incorporating PubNub functionality in your own application. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to download Android Studio for your operating system if you don't have it. You should download the latest stable version at developer.android.com/studio. Next, open up Android Studio and create an Android virtual device using the device manager if you have not created one previously. I recommend you choose a more recent device and system image, as these are typically more stable and can better support new functionality. If you haven't created an Android virtual device before or wish to learn more, go ahead and navigate to Android's official developers documentation, where you can learn how to create an Android virtual device or learn more specific properties about the Android virtual devices. This URL is located here at the top of your page. After you've created an Android virtual device, go ahead and open up your application. Then find the application's build.gradle file. Scroll down until you reach the dependencies block towards the end of the file, and scroll to the end of this block to add two PubNub dependencies. One for the Kotlin SDK and the other for the Android Chat Components SDK, which is used if you wanted to use PubNub's chat components in your application, which are pre-built UI building blocks. If you want to learn more about chat components, go ahead and check out PubNub's website. At the time of this recording, the latest version of the PubNub Kotlin SDK is at 7.0.0, and the Android Chat SDK is 0.2.0. Be sure to check out PubNub's official documentation on our website for the latest version. Finally, navigate to your Android's manifest file located at androidmanifest.xml, where we will need to add internet permissions. You'll need to add internet permissions to this manifest file, as your application will need to be connected to the internet to be able to communicate with the PubNub network. Do this by adding a uses permissions line of code, specifically for Android permissions to connect to the internet. And that's it. You've successfully set up your application with the necessary PubNub dependencies to begin incorporating PubNub functionality into your own application. Thanks for watching.